this tutorial, we're going to learn how to update your tenant manual and newsletters, add newsletters. And so here you see the tenant manual. You probably have an updated version, so you want to know how to do that one. And here you have newsletters, and you probably want to add more. And here you probably want to add PDFs as well. So you'll be using copy and paste. I'll show you now. So let me actually click the tenant manual here, and so you see that tenant manual. Let's close that. Opens up in a new window. Let's edit this page, and then you'll see the editor, and then you'll see the page laid out pretty much the same way. And you want to double click here, and you'll notice this is going to a location that has the tenant login manual, tenant manual. So that's the PDF. So if you have a new one on your computer, you browse the server. It's going to open up the server as well as your local. This is the server, but if you upload and then you choose the file, this is opening up your local hard drive. So if we go here to your thing here, Cruces, and here we pick, we're going to swap out the tenant manual for the newsletter, and that exists there already. So actually, let's rename it here to 2. I just renamed it. Click that one, open it, and upload it. And so it's going from your computer up to the server. The moment it makes it to the server, it'll highlight it. It's a PDF, so it'll take a few seconds. And there it is. And then it's highlighted, and so you can actually pick any file you want, but that's the file, and you insert it. So it's replacing the old one with that one, and you do OK. So if we were to save that, so you've just updated the manual, but obviously we updated it with not the tenant manual, but the newsletter. But if you click it, I just wanted to show you. So it's opening up the newsletter. And actually, that didn't open up in a new window. Let me show you that as well. So that opened up in the same window. So if we go back here, we want to edit two things. We want to move it. We want to put it back to the newsletter, and that's already sitting on the server, so you don't have to upload it locally from your local computer. So let's do that. So we want to double click it again, and here's what happened too. You always want to check the target and make sure it goes to target equals blank. For some reason that switched, but target equals blank opens up in a new window. That way they don't leave the website on this window. And the other thing too is we want to change it back, so we want to browse the server, and that one's called tenant login, tenant manual. So we'll just look through the server's files and scroll down here to the bottom, and here it is, tenant manual. Or you've uploaded some new one, you insert it so it replaces that one, then we're good to go there. For the newsletters, it's pretty straightforward as well. You highlight the September one, you copy it, so you either right click it and copy it, or just press Command C or Control C on Windows. Then you click after the number, you do 2 returns, and you paste. So you want to put a couple, 2 returns and paste. And this one will become September, October, November, etc., etc. But obviously, oops, maybe you spell that right, November. Here again, you double click it. That's pointing to the older newsletter. So you want to browse, and then here you want to upload from your computer, which you'll have those files sitting in your computer, and it could be the, September, October PDF. You click it, it comes in, it'll be highlighted, say it's that one, even though that one's, but yeah, go ahead, say it's that one, insert it so it replaces the other one, check the target, make sure it's blank, do OK, and that one's good to go. And here we could check the target here as well, and yeah, they need to be set to blank. And say you have an important document over here, you can just copy the PDF image and do the same thing here, leave the name, and upload by browsing the server whatever the important document is. And again, by uploading from your computer, wherever's in your computer, up to the server, then inserting the file. Just wanted to repeat that. So let's cancel there. Let's actually remove that. We can remove these here since they're not correct. But there, that's how you add. That's how you add another newsletter. And you probably want to do it this way. Hit a couple returns and come up here and paste it. And you want to go. This will be April 2013. And here you double click it and choose that new one. Yeah, so you probably want to go descending order. But I'll remove this now. Bring it back there. That looks good. Actually, there's one more. Okay, so it's by double clicking into the actual images that you gain control by browsing the server, or it's double clicking and again browsing the server, or copying and pasting and then changing the PDF's location. So that's how you update the Tenant Manual and the newsletters.